Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Crosby the Goal. I have another collab with
Beastie Pup.
And today guys, we're doing an unboxing video. So first, to show you for unboxing, we have is the T-Rex.
All Out Attack.
Yep, the All Out Attack from Chaos Theory. Now guys, this probably our 7,000 T-Rex. And as you can see guys, so you hold it. And as you can see guys, when you click the button, it goes there, and then if you click it again, and then if you click it again,
you press it double times.
And again. And again. Yeah guys, if you want to look at the back, this is what it's like in the back. So it says all out attack, Tyrannosaurus Rex, and as you can see, there's more of them. Right there.
And the back of Spinax. And guys, you could scan.
Teeth grow. Okay.
And
that says evolve for back.
And guys, you can scan on the app. You can scan this,
the app, which is right here.
Add to your collection.
And guys, this is all of our T-Rexes. Sully's gonna get them for now. Sully's gonna get all of them while I show you what I got. That's a big part of my channel, guys. Now you guys know I've been doing basketball stuff, right? Well, guess what I got here, everybody. I got the one and only Jesser Mini Hoop. That is so cool. It tells more stuff on the back. It says exclusive Jesser 5 basketball, over the door mini hoop and net, advanced LED lights and scoring screen. Now if you want to see on the back, we can just do this. And guys, if you want to read that, just pause it. And as you can see, it says air pump included, shot clock or score keeping modes, LED scoring and backboard, flip up breakaway rim, and 2 gameplay modes. Now guys, I will not be reading that. If you want to read it, just pause the video and take time to read it. Now guys, Sully has every single T-Rex that we have currently. We have Rexy from 2016, where he basically does that. Oh yeah, 15, where he basically just does that.
And the tail, and there's a tail whip. And we got the Cretaceous T-Rex that roars.
And then there's this where you just gotta move the tail left and right for it to walk. And then we have our newest T-Rex,
the Chaos Theory that we already showed you. I know how. You could press it double time. Also.
guys, that is all for this video, guys. It's not, we only unboxed the T-Rex, but it's fine, guys. Say bye, Sully.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hopefully see you again. Don't make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and his channel. So hit that thumbs up button and hit that red button that says subscribe.
And get me to 100 subscribers. I promised you I'll do a video on the video I did 80 subscribers.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.